Hello everyone, I'm Shayla. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello my family, today I'm going to show you how to prepare beef steak and fries.
I'm going to begin with cutting the steak. This is what we are going to use to marinate, but we are not going to use all at once. We are going to use cornstarch, salt, black pepper, paprika, turmeric, coriander, soy sauce and olive oil. That's what you're going to use for marinating. Then some drops of soy sauce, olive oil, and I'm also going to add some garlic and ginger, some of it. So now I'm going to slightly fry our beef steak. I'm going to add some oil. If you like my video, give it a like, share and subscribe. I'm now going to cut the veggies. This is the onion, the green pepper and the carrot. That's what we are going to use on our beef steak for today.
We are going to have our beef steak with Irish potatoes, and I'm going to begin cutting the Irish into small pieces.
I'm going to add some turmeric to the Irish. I'm going to boil our Irish for 3 to 5 minutes. On this pan, I'm going to fry the veggies for the beef steak. I'm also going to add the garlic and the ginger that remained. These were the spices that remained when we were when we were marinating the beef steak, I'm going to mix with water, with some little water, plus some soy sauce. Yeah, and I pour it into the beef steak. So we are going to leave it to cook like for more 5 minutes, then our beef steak will be ready. So I'm going to remove our Irish and pour away the water. I'm going to pour it on a plate to cool, the Irish potatoes. So you can see our beef steak is now ready. I'm going to deep fry the Irish potatoes. So my family, our food is now nicely ready. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, hit on the subscribing button. See you in my next video.